So here's what went down. Mark Zuckerberg sent an internal memo to Meta staff announcing a brand new initiative laser focused on supporting entrepreneurship and accelerating AI adoption among small businesses. Now, this isn't just a PR stunt. Zuckerberg specifically called out that tens of millions of entrepreneurs already use Meta's platforms, think Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, to grow their businesses and connect with customers. But he said, and I'm paraphrasing here, that Meta wants to do more. That word, more, is doing a lot of heavy lifting, and we're going to unpack exactly what it could mean. Let's rewind for a second, because context matters here. Small businesses aren't just a feel-good story for Meta. They are the backbone of its revenue model. Meta generated over $160 billion in ad revenue in 2024, and a massive chunk of that comes from small and medium-sized businesses running targeted ads on Facebook and Instagram. These aren't Fortune 500 companies. These are local boutiques, independent coaches, e-commerce founders, and side hustlers who found their customer base through Meta's ad tools. So when Zuckerberg says small businesses have always been a big part of the company's model, he's not being sentimental. He's stating a financial reality. Now here's where things get really interesting for us tech watchers. The initiative isn't just about giving small businesses better ad tools or a new dashboard. The core thrust is driving AI adoption. Meta has been quietly building out a serious AI product suite. From Meta AI, their conversational assistant, to AI-generated ad creatives, to automation tools inside WhatsApp Business. The vision seems to be this. What if every small business owner had access to AI capabilities that used to be reserved for enterprise companies with massive budgets? Imagine AI that writes your product descriptions, responds to customer DMs, optimizes your ad spend in real time, and even forecasts your next big trend. That's the world Meta appears to be building toward. Okay, so what does this actually mean if you're a founder or a small business owner today? A few things to watch. First, expect Meta to roll out more AI native tools inside Business Suite and WhatsApp Business. Tools that lower the barrier to entry for people who aren't tech experts. Second, there could be new funding or mentorship programs tied to this initiative, similar to what Google and Microsoft have done with their small business accelerators. Third, and this is speculative but worth noting, Meta might integrate more e-commerce capabilities directly into its platforms, reducing the need for third-party tools altogether. If you run a business on Instagram or Facebook, the next 12 months could look very different in terms of what's available to you. Zoom out and you see the biggest strategic chess move here. Meta is in a fierce competition with Google, Microsoft, and now OpenAI for dominance in the AI tools market. By anchoring its AI push to small business empowerment, Meta is doing something clever. It's making AI adoption feel accessible, practical, and human. Not scary, not abstract, just useful. And it's a smart retention play too. If your entire business infrastructure, your ads, your customer comms, your storefront, your AI assistant, all live inside Meta's ecosystem, you're not going anywhere. That's the lock-in effect, and it's a strategy that has worked brilliantly for companies like Shopify and Salesforce in their respective markets. Now, let's be balanced here, because not everything about this is sunshine and rainbows. Critics will raise a few valid questions. 1. Data privacy. If Meta is getting deeper into how businesses operate, that means more data flowing through its systems. How will that be handled? 2. Dependency risk. Small businesses that build entirely on Meta's infrastructure are vulnerable if algorithms change, policies shift, or, let's be honest, if another Cambridge Analytica-style scandal hits. And 3. Will this actually be accessible to the smallest of small businesses globally, or will the best features be paywalled behind premium tiers? These are questions the tech community should be pushing Meta to answer clearly.